Hi vlog! So ngayon, it is, insert ko lang dito. Gumagawa kaming table. We're doing the table for Hansok. For the Students' Week. Hey, it's a balloon! It's a balloon! Maka-copyright ako! Shoutout sa nagpa-pump ng balloon. Balloon! It's a balloon! Balloon! Wow! Balloons! Say hi!
Ito, ako taga-blow, ito taga-tali.
Oh my God. Good stuff. Ang ginawa mo, masyado kang aggressive. They're too rough, Chad. Guys, na-stuck yung ano, in-stuck ni Mernel.
Oh my goodness, bro. Ayan.
Ew! Disgusting! That's disgusting! Solve your own problem.
Wala mo tatalo.
So maglalagay tayo ng balloon sa table. Hey! That's my tunes, man! Nate? Malaman. Nawala lang mga sinasabi. Nakakadami. Puro laman.
Hindi ko nang babash. Hindi ko naman siya ano.
Guys, narinig nyo yun?
I don't bash.
Hi vlog! So, second day na and continuation of the table. And then I met some fans! And that is so big. Anong height mo sa, ano, sa ginawang ano?
6'4", pero ginawa ko ng 6'2" para kamoy. Yes. Oh. Ako nanalo, you guys know that.
Walang proof. Wala.
Oh my God.
Joke lang guys. Grade 10?
Mas madali sa grade 9.
Grade 9 na kayo, diba? Yes. Mas madali grade 10.
Oo.
Eh, narinig mo yun doon? I have some fans! Oo. Yeah. Sorry, di ko masyado na-explain, pero kapon kasi Tuesday, and then nag-i-start pa lang kami. Nawala kasi yung table namin. And nag-i-start pa lang kami yung mga ano, quotes, brochures, and other stuff. Say hi. Hey vlog! So ngayon papunta na kami sa ano namin booth.
Hi.
Yeah. Oh my God, ang ingay niyan nito, di tayo maririnig.
Smiley Guy Club! Look at that! We have one.
Why? Give me one reason.
Because you were able to achieve your leadership skills and initiative skills and so on and so forth.
Okay. Hi. Ano yan gagawin natin? Mag-encourage tayo. Encourage. Ayun. Sila. Hey you guys! Join Hansok!
Sali mo naman kami sa vlog mo!
Hi po!
Hi! promoting ADD! Ano na kayo?
Reason to join po.
Because when you're ADT, this bond
And you will meet a lot of magagandas and thank you so much!
Wow.
Join GST guys!
Show the booth.
Yan.
Yeah, wait. Close up. Wow. Tour. Ikaw yung mag-handle ng tour. Mascot?
Okay.
Parang galing sa Animal Crossing. One reason to join. Maglagay tayong reason para sa Honsok kasi sila nagpapano sila. So ngayon, tayo. Bakit?
kasi ang Honsok ko, marami silang initiative. Like, outreaches, gano'n. So, dapat, strive for excellence.
Tama. Hey vlog. So ano na ngayon? It's 5:02. Tomorrow na lang ulit. Tomorrow is Thursday, which is 2:20 yung labas namin. So I'll see you soon guys tomorrow. Hey, katang zesty ng walk mo. Oh.
Is that one piece? Hello, Francis Rodrigo on my IG.
Don't worry, ilalagay ko yung Dang guys, tapos na pala yung vlog fair. Alam mo, pwede pa. Oh. My turn.
Bro. Okay. Ayan. Me too.
Oh. Hey. Last balloon to pop and may nakita ako, sharp thing. Ready guys, 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Pinsan ko si Elisa! I'm so proud. Ako na lang! Kiss ko na siya!
Hey Don! Say hi! What happened? Why are you so astonished? So sinabi tapos na daw yung students week. Let's interview some rate the students week even though she's isang siya. Anong feeling?
This is Elle! This is my favorite. Hi guys, join our game.
Outro.
Hi guys.
What's up? Bye guys. Like and subscribe. Like, subscribe. And
Bye-bye!
taas! Anong konti, taas.
Oh.
Nagara ba siya?